بيسعدنا أن يكون معنا اليوم رائدة الأعمال الصينية ورئيسة مجلس إدارة شركة جينا باور السيدة كاثرين جاو. Good morning, Catherine.
Good
nice
morning,
to have
Helen.
you.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you. Is it your first time here in Dubai?
It's actually my fourth time.
Catherine, you've been, since you were so young, you've been an activist for environmental protection, solar energy, renewable energy, and anything which saves the planet. Tell me more about you and your family business, which is embedded in this area.
Thank you, Hala, for having me here today. I'm very proud to be representing Trina Solar today. Trina Solar was established in 1997. We are actually one of the oldest and largest solar companies globally. Trina, by the end of this June, will have shipped about 150 gigawatts of solar modules globally, which is equivalent to about planting 11 billion trees. Trina Solar is also one of the largest solar companies. By the end of this year, Trina Solar will have a production capacity of over 90 gigawatts.
Impressive, impressive. And Catherine, out of curiosity, I would like to know the difference between Trina Power and Trina Solar, because you're the chairman as well of Trina Power.
Trina Power is an important subsidiary of Trina Solar. Trina Solar has main three focus. First is solar panels manufacturing. And second is energy storage manufacturing. And third is providing total solutions for all kinds of customers. So Trina Power is a subsidiary that focuses on providing solutions for hundreds of households for commercial and industrial users.
Catherine, are there any projects your company is working with the UAE government here or any partners involved?
Yes, absolutely. We are very excited to announce that we are planning to invest $5 billion in the UAE to build a fully integrated solar industry chain. We are planning to build the entire value chain, including polysilicon, 30 gigawatts of ingots and wafers, 5 gigawatts of cells and modules, which will create about 7,000 employees and hopefully to generate around $2.7 billion revenue annually. We are working with a few local partners in terms of the projects. We are very excited to work with them who share the same vision with us, who share the same mission to build UAE into a greener and more sustainable country.
Yeah, absolutely. I think what a great initiative. With this, you're hitting lots of the sustainability goals. And in addition to environmental protection, you're providing employment opportunities, which is amazing. Well done to that, and kudos to that.
Thank you.
Is there anything new or you want to start doing differently in terms of the multi-businesses you run?
I think that I wouldn't be doing anything differently, especially being in the UAE. It definitely is reinforcing some of the objectives that we are already planning. So first of all, Trina Solar has been in the industry for 26 years. We are a pioneer in the solar industry. And one thing that we know is that technology always lies in the heart of this industry. So for the past 20 years, through hardworking by companies like Trina Solar, we have pushed the industry to move forward. In the past 20 years, we've actually lowered the cost of solar manufacturing of solar products by 95% compared to what it was like 20 years ago. So we think that technology innovation is the key to drive solar energy and to drive carbon neutrality. So first of all, we'll be putting all of our energy, all of our resources, all of our talents, including the talents from here in the UAE, towards technology innovation, that's for sure. And secondly, Trina Solar, we already have a presence in over 160 countries. We are a very global company. But are we doing enough? This is the question that everyone is talking about at COP28. So I think in order for the carbon neutrality goal to be achieved, it has to be a global cooperation.
Yes.
So Trina Solar, we have already established manufacturing bases outside of China in many continents,
Yes.
including Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, the US, Spain, Brazil, and soon to be here in the UAE. But we are looking to spread to more continents to support all countries' mission towards carbon neutrality.
Impressive, Catherine, and wishing you and your family business a sustainable thrive always. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.